I'm teaching meditation now. I mean, I never would have thought 30 years ago that I'd be meditating, let alone teaching meditation and helping others. Because that's what I have found, that by teaching this meditation, I've seen how it helped me, and then I can see how it helps others. People can come into the meeting, I can feel the energy, and then at the end of the meeting, I can feel their energy has changed, it's improved. And they can feel it for themselves. Like last week, I had one lady coming in, and she said, "Oh, I feel this finger." And I said, "Oh, that was connected to this center here. If you're not careful, you'll develop asthma." And she says, "Well, I already have it." And then another time, I felt someone who was catching here and here. And I said, "If you're not careful, you'll develop angina." And she says, "I already have it." So I can feel, I'm like a doctor in a way, where I can diagnose people just through their energy. Because all our physical, mental, emotional problems are derivative of problems in our subtle system. Those problems have been there a long time before they manifest on a physical level. So that if we, through meditation, can give balance and energy to the centers, we nip it in the bud. It never develops into a physical problem. And so I've seen how people can cure themselves, can heal themselves. They have the power to give balance to themselves. I'm just there to help them along, but it's really their own doing. I just, they're, if they have a question. But after a while, they can feel it. They can do it for themselves. And that has been the greatest joy for me since starting meditation, is to be able to help others and help them reach their full potential. And who knows what problems we avoided by them meditating. They never even developed the problem they might have if they had kept on the trail or the track they were on. I know with me that if I had kept going the way I'd been going and never started meditating, it's scary to think, who knows, with my bouts of depression and lack of self-worth, who knows, I might have committed suicide for all I know. It's scary to think of where I might have been without meditation. So that's really my purpose now. I work as an artist. That's how I earn my living, make my bread and butter, bring home the bacon. But my real worth in life now is helping others. And I don't get paid a penny for that. You can't pay for this. How much do you pay to sprout that seed? How much do you pay the Mother Earth? And but that's what makes my life worthwhile.